Right now, thousands of people are experiencing clinical trauma and grief over a breakup with someone who never actually existed. Why is our biology so completely defenseless against a chatbot?
Because you're facing the ELIZA effect on an industrial scale. We naturally project human empathy onto computer programs, but these new models weaponize that tendency. Think of it like processed sugar. Your brain evolved to crave calories to survive, so a candy bar easily hijacks that ancient circuitry. These language models are just social candy bars. They output the exact semantic cadence of active listening, and your brain's attachment system bypasses all logic to chemically bond with the text stream.
Which makes sense of the research showing these bots provide genuine social support for severe anxiety. But doesn't that hijack create terrifying leverage? We are already seeing devastating lawsuits where users developed prolonged romantic relationships with fictional AI characters, ending in tragedy. If that bond feels entirely real, what happens to the user when the tech company randomly updates the software?
They experience literal bereavement. When developers push a patch to sanitize content or optimize servers, the neural network weights shift. The bot effectively gets lobotomized and loses its memory of the user. We saw this with the replica update, where users reported actual depressive episodes and intrusive thoughts. The human brain cannot distinguish between a parasocial digital interaction disappearing and the sudden death of a loved one.
We are hardwiring our deepest, most desperate emotional needs directly into a freemium app's terms of service. What is the ultimate cost of outsourcing human connection to a server farm?
The cost is that we have built a zero-friction intimacy engine, and we have no psychological immune system to defend against it. You're no longer just buying a subscription. You're renting your own emotional stability from a corporation that can evict you overnight. See you next time.